Good afternoon. Please come in. What seems to be the problem?
Good afternoon, doctor. I don't feel very well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What symptoms do you have?
I have a headache, a sore throat, and I feel very tired.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a small fever since yesterday.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 2 days.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, but not very strong.
Okay. Let me check your temperature and your throat.
All right.
Your temperature is 37.8 degrees Celsius. It looks like a common cold.
Is it serious?
No, don't worry. You just need rest and proper medicine.
Do I need antibiotics?
No, antibiotics are not necessary. I recommend simple cold medicine.
What should I take?
You can buy throat lozenges and fever medicine at the pharmacy.
How often should I take the medicine?
Take the fever medicine twice a day after meals. Use the throat lozenges 3 times a day.
Should I stay home from work?
Yes, stay home for 2 or 3 days and rest.
Thank you, doctor.
Drink warm tea, get enough sleep, and go to the pharmacy today.
I will. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I went to the doctor today.
I see. What did the doctor say?
She said I have a cold and a mild fever.
Do you have a prescription?
No, she told me to buy fever medicine and throat lozenges.
All right. This medicine will reduce your fever, and these lozenges will help your sore throat.
How much is everything?
It's $15 in total.
Oh, that's a little expensive. Do you have a cheaper option?
Yes, we have a generic brand. It has the same ingredients, but the price is lower.
Is it as effective as this one?
Yes, it works the same way.
How much is the cheaper one?
It's $10 in total.
That's better. I'll take the cheaper option.
No problem. Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Good. Take the fever medicine twice a day after meals and take 1 lozenge 3 times a day.
Can I drink coffee with this medicine?
It's better to drink water or tea.
All right, how many days should I take it?
For 3 to 5 days. If you don't feel better, see your doctor again.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Hi, Alex. How are you feeling now?
Hi, Mom. I feel much better today.
That's good to hear. Did you take your medicine?
Yes, I took it twice a day, just like the pharmacist said.
Do you still have a fever?
No, my fever is gone.
What about your sore throat?
It's much better. The lozenges really helped.
I'm happy to hear that.
I also drank warm tea and stayed in bed.
Good. Rest is very important.
Thank you for taking care of me.
Of course, that's what moms do.
I think I can go back to work tomorrow.
If you feel strong, that's fine, but don't overwork.
I won't. I feel healthy again.
I'm proud of you. Take care of yourself.
I will, Mom. Thank you.